Why do women always act like they don't want nothing to eat until you bring home your favoriteest meal? And then they want to put their grubby ass hands all in your plate. First of all, I asked you if you wanted something to eat, and you said, "No, I'm fine." Well, sit your fine ass over there in the corner with your stomach growling and leave me the fuck alone. I don't know where your hands been. Every time I see your ass, you scratching your scalp and pulling your panties out your ass. Now you want a chicken wing. Women always trying to test your love. I don't love you that much. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'd die for my woman. Just not from starvation. What's fucked up is women that make you feel bad about not giving them something off your plate like you some kind of ogre, like you selfish or something. And most of you niggas give in. Y'all go ahead and give them the food because you scared you ain't gonna get no coochie no more. Well, I'm an old nigga. I don't give a damn about that coochie. I had that coochie before. This chicken is fresh.